Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find users and accounts. Then let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and of course enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm everything. So now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you'd like to remove it, all you have to do is to again enter users and accounts, tap on the account, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account, confirm it with OK, enter your screen lock to confirm, and as you can see, we just successfully removed the account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.